Hello friends, this is Yogesh and welcome to another tech video. In this video, we are going to do the unboxing of 10,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2i, which is a budget-oriented power bank from Xiaomi, and this is especially designed for the Indian consumer. So before any further ado, let's get started. So I purchased this power bank from mi.com for 800 rupees, and as of now, this is only available at mi.com. So this is how the courier packaging looks like. So first of all, let me cut this plastic bag, then we'll see the power bank itself. So this is the box in which the Mi power bank comes in, and as you can see, this is a white box and this is the Mi power bank, and on the back we have some information about the charging times and input and output values. So let me open the box now. There is another box, I guess, and here you find the power bank itself. So now let me remove this plastic bag also. So as you can see, this is how the power bank looks like. So now let me give you the physical overview of the power bank. On the front we have the Mi logo, and at the back of the power bank we have some information, and again at the bottom we have information about the capacity of the power bank and the input and output values that it takes. On the top we have the two USB-A type ports that will be used for charging your devices. Each of these ports can output at 5 volt at 2 amperes, which is the normal output, and also at 9 volt and 12 volts at 1.5 amperes, which means that it supports fast charging. Same goes for the micro USB port. It also supports quick charging, which is a nice thing in my opinion, and it is used for charging the power bank itself. And along with the micro USB port, you have the power button that can be used for checking the remaining capacity of the power bank. And according to Xiaomi, you can double press this power button to safely charge your low power devices such as your Mi Band, etc. And in the box, we do get a USB to micro USB cable, which is of standard quality, and you can use this cable for charging your devices and your power bank. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified each time when a new video goes live. This is Yogesh. Hope to see you guys in my next video.